Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Swiss+Tech 18-in-1 multi-tool. A few months ago, we've taken a look at the previous version, and now the new version is here. Let's take a look at what has changed. So here's the multi-tool. Let's just check what's under here. So we have a sheath. It's just like the old version. And we have a user manual, and this time it's in English. Let's try the sheath. So I guess it works. And you can mount it both horizontally and vertically. So here's the multi-tool. The design is very similar to the previous version, but this one comes in a stonewash finish, which is very nice. And the handles have this characteristic Swiss+Tech look, so it's textured. And then another notable difference is the replaceable wire cutters. So we have good teeth here. And the wire cutters seems to be very good also. Here's the wire cutter up close. You have soft wire cutters and hard wire cutters. Very smooth, even though it's new. And the tip is very precise, yeah. And no movement at all. So that's very nice. So we also have a crimper here. It retains the design of the previous version. So because the outside opening tools are located here, it leaves more space here. So there's less chance of pinching. Everything is held in place by torque screws. Let's take a look at the outside opening tools. So we have a plain edge. So it's got a very nice edge. And it has a liner lock. And then we have a file. So this one is diamond coated. And a crosscut file, so it seems to be a very good file. And we have another edge here, but it's not as aggressive, so I'm not sure about the usefulness of this one. On the other side, we have a serrated blade, so very nice serrations. And the wood saw. These are very long and sharp teeth. So I suppose this is going to be very effective. Let's open it. On the inside, we have a bit driver. So it's got a Phillips head. And on the other side is a flat head. So it has a ball detent, so there's no magnet here. And then it's locking. So here's a closer look at the locking mechanism. So to unlock, you just press this down and close the tool. On the other side, we have the scissors. So it's very smooth and very sharp. And then we have the precision screwdriver. So this used to be a flathead, but they've changed it into a precision screwdriver, which kind of makes sense because you already have a bit driver. And the final tool is a bottle opener, can opener. And it also has a wire stripper. And I suppose you can also use this as a package opener. It's not very sharp, but I think it will work. And then you have a ruler. So it's got inch and centimeter scales. And you can measure out to 8 inches and 20 centimeters. So this can sometimes be useful. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Swiss+Tech 18-in-1 multi-tool. I think Swiss+Tech has done it. It's really just a bunch of incremental improvements, but definitely they're getting better and better. The previous version is already competitive with the Leatherman Wave, and this version is very comparable to the Leatherman Wave Plus. Thank you for watching.